So we're trying to figure out that sum is in between what? If I was, the sum is not going to be less than 1/3, okay? Because 1/3, well, we know it's not going to be less than that. So if I was running short on time, I'd say the answer was C, okay? Because we know it's not going to be less than that. But I'm not running short on time, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find this sum. And the common denominator would be 3 cubed. That's the most 3's you have. That's going to be a 1. Now, what do I need to multiply this 3 by to give me 3 cubed? I need to multiply by 3 squared. But then I had to multiply the top by 3 squared. What do I need to multiply 3 squared by to give me 3 cubed? I need another 3. So I got to multiply the top by 3. So you get our common denominator of 27, which that's 3 cubed. And the top is 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9, that's 13 over 27. And 13 over 26 would be 1/2. So this is about 0.5. So they're going in between 1/3 and 0.5. All right, well, A won't work because 1/9 is too small. And B won't work because my upper sum is more than 1/3. C will work because 0.5 is inside 8/9. This range 1/3 up to 0.5 will fit in between there. Okay, so that's my answer.